Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. What makes our natural and organic black gold tomato and vegetable fertilizer exceptional? It contains the perfect balance of naturally sourced nutrients for better vegetable production. Watch your tomatoes, peppers, beans, and squash flourish with this all-natural formula. It's even safe to use on smaller, more tender vegetable stalks. Apply granular black gold tomato and vegetable fertilizer on your vegetable and herb gardens, raised beds, and containers and see the difference. Edible crops simply produce better with this specially formulated plant food. Our tomato and vegetable fertilizer contains naturally sourced ingredients such as kelp meal, alfalfa meal, and bone meal to give your plants all the nutrients they need to grow and prosper. Visit blackgold.bz to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos, articles, and our Ask a Garden Expert free horticultural advice service. We also offer $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Black Gold purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.